How to withdraw money from Sweat wallet. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from your Sweat wallet step by step. If you've earned Sweat tokens and are ready to cash out, this tutorial is for you, so let's get started. First, open the Sweat app on your phone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find it in the App Store or Google Play Store. Make sure your app is up to date. Next, log in with your account credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, make sure to sign up. Once you're logged in, tap on the wallet icon at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll see your Sweat balance and other details. Now let's make sure you have enough Sweat tokens to withdraw. On the wallet screen, you should see your total balance of Sweat tokens. Remember, there might be a minimum withdrawal amount, so make sure you've met that threshold before proceeding. Once you're ready, tap on the withdraw button, which will open up the withdrawal options. Now you'll need to choose your withdrawal method. You can usually withdraw to your bank, PayPal, or cryptocurrencies wallet. Choose the method that works best for you. After selecting your withdrawal method, you'll be prompted to enter the amount you want to withdraw. Make sure to double check your balance and enter the correct amount. Once everything looks good, tap confirm to complete the withdrawal process. And that's it. That's how you successfully learn how to withdraw money from your Sweat wallet.